If you want to unlink your Apple TV Plus account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook Settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services linked to your Facebook account. Step 3. Find Apple TV Plus. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Apple TV Plus. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 4. Remove Apple TV Plus. Once you have selected Apple TV Plus, look for the option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check Apple TV Plus settings. Finally, open the Apple TV Plus app or website and go to your account settings. Ensure that your Facebook account is no longer listed as a linked account. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Apple TV Plus account from Facebook. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for assistance.